As today I'll be showing you my saves. So there's a new studio for making these types of videos. Yes, I actually buy this of bells. Oh, please know I do saves. So bus safe is me. Going. Okay. Sadly, I don't have enough space here, so yeah. I'll also be showing my maps. Yes. Yeah. About to tell you what I have a normal cave map, science, type map, and PvP map. We can go side map since must be reviewed at workshop. Yes. I'm not kidding. Exactly with you. Wait, my husband mouse is screenshots. I only need screenshots. The mic. Me. Me. We got my playground. Yes, I made this. And he's dead. You're in life. We also have a meat factory. Yes, this is so laggy, so very good slow-mo go. But that's so old. We're playground. Can you make it? Yes, I'll be playing my playground to see my playground. I'll play my playground to see can he survive for the doom. Yeah, can he survive for Tunnel of Doom? Can face? Can Mexico talk to him anyways? Because I have a dragon. Okay. I instantly see something bad happening. Okay, that doesn't even look like a playground anymore. That looks like playground melon. Dude, that isn't a playground. That's playground melon. Now we have premium playground melon. I have playground melon again. Oh yeah, so yeah, finally just put them in some spikes. Everyone who went in this didn't never survived. Okay, let me just spawn myself where did I go? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but it's actually science. Yep. You might have this video without myself. Hey. Hey. Get out, you. Get out, you guys. You know, I put this video. Ow. Yeah, but yeah, instead I might find me. Oh, I'm back. We have Mingle. But we have Mingle for the classic Squid Games too. Yeah, this game that's my game the most. Ugh, what's wrong with my voice? Ugh. Yeah, I do feel a little sick. So I might not post these videos a lot often. But I can't find another new save. Yeah, we have a couple of them Squid Games. Yes, actually I made this myself. So every eliminated contestant goes well. Yeah, I mean you may wonder what's that when I might think that well. I actually made that in Mingle thingy. Yes, but we have but I always showed this. There we have a controllable melon. Wait, what do I how can he walk? So he isn't even walk. Just please, he isn't even shooting. Yeah, so I kind of wasted my mouse on him. Wait, I had to go to a workshop. Don't tell anyone. Keep it a secret. And don't tell anyone else. I'm going to your house. Yes, I'm coming to your house. Yes, I'll be going to your house and I'll eat your cat. Yes, I'll actually pair up. My PC is lagging. But I'm not even using a PC. Oh my! I sorry, I had to delete that because that lagged my game. What else is new? Where is? Does anyone new saves? Okay. Oh yeah, I have the glass plates from Squid Games. Oh yeah, it'll lag my game. Oh my god, it burns my eyes. Yeah, well, like real light also. Yeah, I use this for a stupid button. Close, please. Okay, yeah, I think yeah, but with stupid leaps block my way from actually doing so. God, that Golda. And a god, a poly-made god.
You can turn any boring space into a studio.
Suits up, I don't even tell about
the
this.
area that you want to replace.
It's up to you. Yo, this is only 8 minutes into the video. You also got a book in that going on. And actually, coffees, the workshop. Don't care. Tell anyone again. Next time, you eat with cats if you don't have a dog. We also have a pit. Well, we also have spin for wheel, which is kind of weird since otherwise we're assuming a ring. Activate. Just activate, please. Oh my god, yep. I mean, like, it's kind of my fault. But it relax my game the most. Let me just show you. See, lucky. It's taking so long, so what? It's even spawn. It was like nope, I'm not. That's good. We're 10 minutes to we're slow. Yeah, I guess. Okay, how long would this take to load? I didn't sleep through this. Fuck. My parents are sleeping. Yeah. I don't know what we can get them set up. We're upcoming Arctic, so that would be mentally good. Bye. And you may get more.